Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So last week, the entire VFX community on LinkedIn and everywhere else, everyone was just talking about one single thing. Everyone were posting about that. Everyone were posting their comments about that, their opinions about that, and it is OpenAI Sora. So that's the latest text to video model, which has been not yet released, but they've just showcased it, were generated completely by the model without any modification. So from the time this got released, pretty much everyone is talking about let it be in production or also in VFX industry. People are saying things like this is the end of VFX and it's going to replace everything, and people are not going to use VFX artists anymore and all those things. So that's this video. I just wanted to tell my opinions about it and what can be done and what cannot be done with this new model, and where it might go from here. So yeah, that's gonna be this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go into this video. This model's name is called Sora. They already have models like ChatGPT and Dolly. So ChatGPT is basically a text prompt, and Dolly is text to image. So now they have a text to video, which is like the obvious next step for them. From like a artist perspective or anything like that, I did go and see their website and the videos which has been generated by the model without any modification. That's what they say. Some videos, some of them, they are pretty good. For the most part, it's not even close to being like a full-fledged model, even for someone who's just using it as like a recreational, just for their personal use. Even that, it's not gonna fulfill their thing too. So let's just like quickly jump into this website and see like actually, I just wanted to show you guys like certain things. So this is the website. You can actually go and check this out. It's openai.com/Sora. So immediately we come with the Sora as an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. So if we scroll down, so immediately the first video we can see here, again, as I said, like a lot of these things, they look good, and they also have the prompt here. So some of these things I just wanted to show you guys. I mean, this is like a good example which we can use for like a VFX shot, but again, one side, like it's still in early development. They haven't even released it to public. Though some of these shots, like these mammoth shot, and I did see another one, this animated shot here, these kind of work well, but some of the shots which I see here, they actually have like so much of artifacts. Yeah, so this one here, it says like beautiful snowy Tokyo city is bustling, camera move, following several people, enjoying snowy weather, shopping and everything. I mean, it's like related to the prompt, obviously, but there's like some obvious stuff happening here. If you see this guy here, he just disappears to nowhere, and then the way they walk and everything, I mean, I can see the difference that it's not realistic, because also like most of these shots where there are like people, I do see like most of these people, they don't have any kind of like expressions on them. So especially if it's like a crowded scene where there's like too many people there, we won't really know like from where they're even spawning. They just look like they're spawning out of nowhere. This is 3 and then 4, 5, 6, 7. So weakness, animals or people can spontaneously appear, especially in scenes containing many entities. So that's one of their drawbacks, I guess. I'm not sure if it's just now or whatever, or even this, it just comes out of nowhere, this chair here. If you're gonna use this tool to like create something, and if you get like an artifact like that, I think it's better off you just shoot the video instead. And I see like so many people posting saying that this is the end of VFX, and this is gonna completely replace VFX, and it's not gonna happen. It's just my opinion here. Something like this, something similar, I've actually already seen, and if you guys have used like Midjourney or something like that, I'm not sure about Dolly, but I have used Midjourney a lot. And the one problem I see, which I also see here, is context. So it's a really good model to generate images from a prompt. If you want to do like a sequence where you need like for example, if you need like a specific character throughout the entire sequence, that's like a real challenge with Midjourney. There is a method to do that. I have tried that too. You need to basically generate a character first and then save that as an image, and then the next prompt when you do that, you need to attach that image or do something like that. I have tried it before, but step-by-step process to actually do that. So I see the same problem here. For example, like if we take this mammoth or whatever it is, or if you take this animated character here, I'm not sure like why the background is moving like in a weird way there, but yeah, let's say like this is like the hero character in an animated movie. It looks good, it looks really good, their expressions look good and everything, but to have this character in an entire movie without any changes, that's the context, right? I'm not sure how we can achieve that, because all these type of AI models, they're really good in generating like random stuff from random prompts, but the first prompt and the second prompt, I don't know how you can actually link that. That only happens in ChatGPT right now. ChatGPT is able to go back into the conversation and keep the context. Even if you keep talking to the model like even for like 30 minutes, it'll know like what you spoke before. So that's there in ChatGPT, but it's not there in Midjourney. It is not that easy. You can still do that, but it's very complicated. I think I see the same problem here. If you're gonna create like, let's say like if you're just gonna create like small storyboards, not even like the final thing, but even for storyboards, even for like the camera angles to why you do like a storyboard just for that purpose, I feel it's really hard to connect the context. I'm not sure if it can do that, or probably it's just their next step in the development. They're actually doing it faster than I expect. So because of that, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for them to like develop all those things. And yeah, just to clear up these confusion and these speculations about this entire Sora and all these things, I'm not sure if it's gonna replace like the VFX industry. No, it's not gonna happen, because the thing is, we have ChatGPT right now, and so many people are using ChatGPT right now for so many different types of work. Content writer or like a copywriter or something like that, you can easily, your job is based on text. You would have used like a different tool, like maybe Microsoft Word, for example. You were using that, and let's say Grammarly came in. Grammarly just automatically corrects your grammar and everything, so you just add that tool to like Microsoft Word or something so that it corrects automatically, and then now ChatGPT is there, so you can actually generate text from there. So I feel only the tools evolve. I think it'll just be like an upgrade from like previous generation of tools, and end of the day, I think there will be a person who needs to sit there and do the work. Let's say like 5 years down the line, even in VFX, let's say Nuke, Maya, Houdini, we integrate all these different AI tools into that. Nuke already has like Copycat, which is like a machine learning tool, which we can use inside Nuke. Automate some paint work and some repetitive tasks, but it's still, they just keep developing it in each version of Nuke. So it's again a tool inside Nuke, so you cannot stop using Nuke. It doesn't work like that. So for example, I'll say like when I studied VFX like 6 years or 7 years back, there was no Unreal Engine at that time, so I didn't learn Unreal Engine at that time. But people right now in the same program, they have included Unreal Engine because Unreal Engine is so popular right now, and you can pretty much do everything in Unreal Engine. So they have included that in the course content. So anyone who's learning the same program which I learned like 7 years back, they're learning an extra program right now, so extra software or extra application. If someone develops like a AI tool for VFX, which creates like automatic rotos, or which cleans up like all the plates, and which like does like green screen and blue screens like automatically. Even if someone develops a tool like that, take a lot of time for it to come into production and for studios to actually integrate that into their pipeline. I have seen how difficult it is to just switch from Nuke version 12 to version 13 inside a studio. So it doesn't happen in a single day. I think it'll just be a new tool which will make artists' life easier. As long as there's a certain level of creativity into the work, nothing is going to actually destroy that. Another thing is, what I want to say is, all these videos which you see here, you can say like they're like probably 70%, or some videos are like 80% perfect. It's very easy to go from 0 to 70 or 0 to 80%, but it's very hard to go from 80% to 100%. And I probably think that you need a human if you want to take something from 80 to 100%. 20 years from now, people who are working in VFX, they might not even use what we're using today. So, but there will still be a movie industry, a film industry, and a VFX industry, and everything. The workflow, the entire pipeline would be different in VFX studios. It's just that I think that's how it'll evolve. I'll do like another video about this other tool which I saw. This is specifically, they have designed this for production, and I'm pretty sure like it's not gonna replace. Probably we will replace the tools which we use today. Just my opinion about this entire thing. And people who are posting on LinkedIn about like, you know, industry is gone. I even saw like some people posting saying that, you know, students who are studying VFX, you know, it's not useful or anything like something like that, and you're like, stop doing all that, you know. That's the real beauty of this VFX industry or any other creative industry. People don't come into this industry because they were forced to. People actually come into this industry because they want to, because they have so much of interest in this. So that's why people want to learn VFX and people want to do VFX, you know, including me. You know, no one actually forced me to do this. I wanted to do VFX because I wanted to do it. I was interested in it, and I think everyone comes like that into this industry. So if it's okay if you don't encourage new people and new students, but don't discourage them by saying all these things. Things will change. It's technology, you know. Our industry is based on technology, so technology goes faster than our lives. So it's just that we need to adapt to it, new things, and keep learning as we go. So I think that's the only point. So if you're a student who's coming into VFX or who's planning to learn VFX, just go ahead, because that's what you're interested in. I'm pretty sure you guys are interested in that. So just do it. Don't mind all these LinkedIn posts and all that. It's just people's opinion, and this is my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and also repost this video, share this video to other people if you liked it. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Manish.